Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids, as this can help soothe the throat and reduce coughing. Use a humidifier in your bedroom to keep the air moist and relieve cough irritation. Avoid cough triggers, such as smoke and strong fragrances. Consult your healthcare provider before taking any cough medicine, as not all medications are safe during pregnancy. They may recommend suitable remedies that are safe for you and your baby.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.